Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to hide your last seen or online status on WhatsApp, it's really easy to do. Just follow along and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and tap on the menu icon. From there, go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, select Account. In this section, you'll find different options like Privacy, Security, Two-step verification, change number, request account info, and delete my account. Now tap on Privacy. Here, you'll see the option for last seen and online. Tap on that. Under last seen, you'll find three choices: everyone, my contacts, and nobody. If you want everyone to see your last seen, even people not in your contacts, choose everyone. If you only want your saved contacts to see it, select My Contacts. And if you don't want anyone to see your last seen at all, tap Nobody. Once you've made your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. You can also manage your online status right from the screen and decide whether you want it visible to everyone or just your contacts. And that's it! You've successfully hidden your last seen and online status on WhatsApp. This works for both Android and iPhone users. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.